Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadija.com, and on today's tutorial I'm going to go over a free tool called Linktree. Linktree is basically a great tool to optimize your Instagram traffic. As you can see, this is my Instagram account. I love Instagram. It's my favorite platform. And the only thing I always disliked about Instagram is that it only lets you add one link. So if you have multiple destinations that you would like to send traffic to, you will have to periodically change that link. So if you have a blog, maybe you have an Etsy shop as well, like I do, a Facebook group, an Instagram, a Pinterest, or any other websites that you would like to send traffic to, you will have to pick one or periodically change that link. So with Linktree, the nice thing about it is that you have the paid version, which is $6, and you can do a lot more with that one, or you could just do the free one. And basically, you're able to add as many links as you like, and you're able to send traffic to different destinations. So whether you are a blogger, you are an artist, you have a Etsy shop, you have a business, any sort of business, you could send different you could send the traffic to different destinations, so different links. And I just wanted to include this in one of my Etsy tutorials because it's a great way for branding. It's a great way to grow your social media platforms. It's a great way to grow your newsletters. It's a great way to send people not only to your Etsy, but you could send them to your Facebook group. You could send them to your Pinterest account. So you could send them to different destinations as well. You could send them to a contact page where they could reach out to you for any type of business. So it's really, really nice feature to have. I say that if you don't have this right now, I highly recommend that you go ahead and sign up. Once again, it's a free tool, so you're really not paying anything for it. So basically, what it looks just like this. So let's say someone was looking at my Instagram, they want to learn more about me, they would click on it. It's going to open a new page and it's going to have all my links. So whatever links I put in there. So I have it attached with my blog, my contact me, so that takes them to my blog, to my contact me page. I have my YouTube channel where I have obviously the Etsy tutorials and additional tutorials to grow your thriving business. I attach my Etsy seller support Facebook group page. I have my Etsy shop on it, my Pinterest, and my Twitter page. So this could be customized to whatever you want to send traffic to. And how do you do it? So I'm going to have the link on the description box below, and it's called Linktree. It's a little spelled differently, so when you spell it, we'll have a period between the R and the E and the first E, so Linktree. But I'll have it in the list in the description box below, so don't worry about that. And basically, what you would do is you want to make sure that you're logged in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in into your Instagram, it's going to open the page. I already did mine, but it's going to open this page here and it's going to ask you add a new button. So what you do technically is you press add a new button, and then here you would write down wherever you want to send them. So let's say you do want to send them to your blog. You can put my blog, and then you would take the URL of that blog. So I'm just going to copy mine just so I could do it really quick and show you guys. You would go here, take the URL, put it there, and then give it a few seconds. Make sure this is green. If you remove this, it would turn off from the list. So you could actually have additional links there if you want, and you could turn them off anytime you like. And once you have that, you could organize it also. So if you want to, I'm going to delete this one since I already have mine in there. So what you could do is you could organize this. So you could move your blog and say, okay, I'm going to put my blog on the bottom, or I want my blog to be second. So it's going to show you right here on the screen how, for the user, how it will look. I actually like my blog on the top, my contact me, my YouTube, and everything else on the bottom. Now, another nice feature about it is that even though it's the basic plan, it's a free one that you're not paying anything for it, you get unlimited tracking of your links. So that's really, really nice because if somebody clicks on your link, you could come here and you'll be able to click there, and it's going to tell you how many times your link has been clicked on. So as of today, I just set mine up, so it's going to say 0. But over time, the more time people click on it, it's going to start collecting that information. And this is a great way to test out to see if this is working, to see if people are actually going to your blog. Maybe you will need to rechange the name here. Maybe you need to write something a little bit more enticing. Like I wrote here, I reveal all of my tactics on how I made 20,000 my first year on Etsy and how you can too. Maybe you might have to write something like that, like a catchy headline for them to click on it. But that would give you a little bit more details if people are clicking on it or not. And this is just a great way to optimize your Instagram page, grow traffic, grow your social media platform, bring more traffic to those platforms that you want to send customers to, potentially even add more value to your business as well. And like I said earlier, this is free. You could do the pro one. And if you click on the pro one, you'll see that on the pro one is $6 a month, but you do get a lot of more. Like you get more link tree themes. So the colors in the background could be changed. You'll get more choices. You'll be able to remove the Linktree branding. So on the bottom of this, you're gonna see right here that they have their advertisement. So by paying the $6 a month, that will be removed. It will show you social in Google Analytics. So now when you log in into Google Analytics, you'll be able to go under the social tab and see all the traffic in there. So that's a nice feature because you do want to check your metrics monthly or even quarterly if you don't have the time for it. And it's important that you could see that you figure out where your traffic comes from and what platforms bring you more traffic. That way you could concentrate on those platforms, whether it's for advertising or doing additional growing on those platforms. Another thing is this UTM parameters. This is also goes in Google Analytics. So you'll be able to, for instance, run a ad or a specific page and track that specific page using parameters, which is basically like a little code that you built in, and then you could add it to Google Analytics, and that would tell you how many people click on that actual page or how many traffic was sent from that actual page. You'll be able to see day by day breakdown of link traffic, which is nice. You'll be able to access your team to manage link tricks and links. You'll be able to customize the colors and button styles. So also retargeting your Linktree visitors on Facebook and Instagram. So this is really nice as well because you'll be able to add on, if you go to Facebook and you go under Business Manager, you're able to get a Pixel ID, and that's free. It doesn't cost anything. You'll be able to use that link to put it in here in Linktree. And what that does is that anytime somebody visits you, that the Facebook will remarket them again with your ad or with your whatever you're advertising, and that will bring the likelihood of someone buying even higher. So this has many great benefits, but if you don't want to add all these extra features, you could just do the free one. I mean, just the free one, just the value that it gives you by adding all these additional links, it's just worth doing it. And once you set up all your links, the last thing that I will show you is that if you go under settings, right here, you could change the color of how you want it to look. So these are the 4 colors they have right now. If you do the pro one, that's what they were saying, you get additional ones. I just left mine on the standard color. That's fine for me. And once you have it set up, the additional last thing would be this link here that you get provided. You have to put that link on your Instagram page. So that link will go here. So you will go to edit profile, change the link that you currently have there, add the new link, and that's how when you click there, the person will be navigated to this little screen with all the different options. So I did want to show you this new tool that I found because it's going to be very helpful in growing your business, branding, and growing your social media, and also even collecting emails. This is a great way to put like something like sign up today for my newsletter and receive 20% on your next order on Etsy. I mean, just things like that you could add. I mean, you're going to get more subscribers, and you got targeted subscribers that you can actually send newsletters to promoting your products on Etsy. It doesn't necessarily have to be for Etsy. This could be for any type of business that you have. But that's just to give you an idea. It's a great, great tool. I recommend everyone to sign up for it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have any questions about additional tutorials, please leave a comment below. If you have not done so, please sign up for my YouTube channel. I'll be adding additional Etsy tutorials. I'll be adding apps and tools and tricks and how to grow a thriving Etsy business along with digital marketing, social media presence, and much more. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.